When you search for outdoor solar floodlights, everything looks the same. The same features, the same claims, and the same photos. But to find the ones that genuinely light up your space and your life, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Tough Enough Solar Outdoor Lights. Let's kick things off with the Tough Enough Solar Outdoor Lights. Priced at $27.44, this set of 2 caught my eye with its powerful 2,500 lumens and 210 LEDs. If you want a bright, versatile lighting solution for your yard or driveway, this is worth a serious look. What sets these lights apart is the remote control feature and 3 lighting modes. You can choose between strong light, dim light, or continuous strong light mode depending on your needs. That means whether you're having a late night gathering or just want to keep the area well lit for safety, you've got options. They also have a wide 270-degree angle and a motion sensor that can detect movement up to 26 feet away. This is crucial for ensuring your outdoor spaces are well monitored. Now, I've seen some complaints about the battery not lasting through multiple cloudy days. Here's the thing though, most solar lights struggle in bad weather, so you'll want to place it where it can get good sunlight. If that's a deal breaker for you, maybe look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you want customizable lighting for various scenarios. Skip this one if you're in an area with consistent cloud cover. For the price, you're getting some solid features that can really brighten up your outdoor space. Now, if the battery concerns bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be a better fit for consistent performance.
Product number 2, Awutech Solar Motion Sensor Lights, coming in at just $20.99 for a 6-pack. This caught my attention because of its 3 optional modes and wide-angle illumination. If you're looking for reliable security lighting without breaking the bank, this one's a great option. What's useful here is its smart brightness control that adjusts the brightness based on motion detection. So when no one is around, it dims down, saving energy while still providing a bit of light. Plus, the sensitive PIR motion sensor can detect people from up to 26 feet away. This is particularly helpful if you want to keep an eye on your driveway or yard. However, some users mentioned that the lights sometimes don't stay on for as long as expected when detecting motion. But honestly, if you set them up correctly, they can still provide decent illumination for your outdoor spaces without requiring constant battery changes. This is perfect for you if you want a cost-effective solution for your outdoor lighting. Skip this if you need very bright all-night lighting without any dimming. At this price point, you're definitely getting good value for what you pay. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more coverage.
Product number 3, Defino Solar Lights. Let's talk about the Defino Solar Lights, priced at $21.99. This one features 2,500 lumens and a unique 3-head design. If you want maximum coverage for your outdoor area, this deserves your attention. The Defino model boasts a 270-degree coverage and can detect motion from up to 40 feet away. That's impressive. The 3 lighting modes mean you can customize the brightness based on your needs, whether it's for security or just ambient light. And with its IP65 waterproof rating, you can rest easy knowing it'll handle bad weather without issues. That said, a few reviews pointed out that the installation can be a bit tricky if you're not handy. But honestly, once you get it set up, it's straightforward and the performance is worth it. This is perfect for you if you have a larger outdoor area that needs lighting. Skip this if you don't want to deal with installation challenges. Overall, it's a smart choice for long-term outdoor lighting. Now, if installation was a concern for you, the next product takes ease of use to the next level.
Product number 4, HM City Solar Lights. We have the HM City Solar Lights available for $24.99. What stood out to me is the high-performance solar panel that offers a conversion efficiency of up to 30%. If you're serious about energy efficiency and brightness, keep listening. These lights feature a PIR motion sensor that only activates at full brightness when motion is detected, which can help save battery life. They also come with 3 different modes for various lighting needs, which is super handy. With an IP65 waterproof rating, they're designed to withstand tough weather conditions, so you can rely on them all year round. However, some users did mention that they had issues with the motion sensor not activating properly at times. But honestly, if you install them in the right location, you shouldn't have too many problems. This is perfect for you if you want something durable and energy efficient for your garden or patio. Skip this if you need lights that activate immediately without any delay. For the price, you're getting a well-rounded solution for outdoor lighting. Now, if motion detection was a concern, the next product has a different approach that might suit you better.
Product number 5, Mihani Solar Floodlights. Let's check out the Mihani solar floodlights, priced at $25.99 for a pack of 2. These lights are powerful, offering 2,500 lumens and a wide-angle design. If you want something that really lights up your outdoor space, this is worth your attention. The 3 adjustable heads allow you to customize the lighting spread, while the built-in PIR sensor detects movement within a 180-degree range, up to 30 feet. This means you can easily cover large areas. Plus, with its IP67 rated waterproof design, you can trust it'll hold up in various weather conditions without failing. One downside is that some users found the installation a bit complex without clear guidance. But honestly, once you figure it out, you'll appreciate the bright, reliable illumination they provide. This is perfect for you if you need customizable lighting for a big area like a yard or patio. Skip this if you're looking for something that's super easy to set up right out of the box. Overall, it's a fantastic option for keeping your home secure and well lit.
So to wrap it up, we've covered some fantastic options today. The Tough Enough offers great versatility. The AUTech gives you excellent value. The Dafinos shines in coverage. The HM City stands out for energy efficiency. And the Mihani is perfect for those who need powerful lighting. Depending on your specific needs, any of these could be the right fit for your outdoor solar lighting setup.